Namaste. We welcome you to the Asana performing series by Acharya Keshav. And today in this series, he will be training the postures that is performed with wide leg standing positions. So let us start the session. From Tadasana, spread your legs apart about 3 feet distance and then gently turn the right foot towards the right direction and then inhaling, raise the arm up. Exhaling, try and place the palm next to the little toe by the side of the right sole. Stay there, the other hand stretched upwards, try to look up. Retain the position for about 7 to 10 counts. Triangular pose. Look at the feet distance. Look at the hand position, the face, and the way the sole is placed, the feet sections. Further breathe in, slowly bend the right thigh 90 degrees and continue to stay there for at least another 5 counts. If you're a beginner, retain each posture from 5 to 10 counts. Stay there, stretch your arm forward and try to breathe normal. Very slowly stretch both the hands upward. Give a slight tilt towards the backward. It's a side back bending position. The thigh in the 90-degree angle. The left leg stretched back, pulling the kneecap backward. Stay there. Now slowly pull back the knee. Stretch the knee of your right leg. Exhaling, bring both the palms, place on either side of the foot and bend forward. It's a side forward bending posture. Very slowly raise the right arm up. Stay there. It's a twisted posture. Retain the position. Twisted triangular pose. Again bend forward with exhalation. Bend the leg 90 degrees. Come back to side back bending position. It's called a warrior pose. And then place the right palm next to the little toe of the right foot and bend to the side. Straighten the knee back of your right leg. Again come back to the triangular pose. Stay there. Observe the position, stretches, and watch your breath, and then slowly inhaling, come up. Tilt the foot back, come back, and then gently join your legs. Try and repeat the same similar sequence on the other side and balance the effect both on your right part of your body as well as on your left part.